So I'm the dealer principal of JGW, and I'm branch manager of our Wagga branch. We've got stores in Cowra and Wagga and service all areas in between. So today we are showcasing our Massey Ferguson range of tractors, hay tools, and we've also got our range of Fendt machines from tractors, our 𝗀𝗚𝗏 sprayer, and we are allowing people to jump in and have a drive, experience both products. It's an opportunity to take one for a run up and back and get a feel for what they're about and what all the hype is about. Well, the hype is these are two of the greatest products available in the world, and a lot of people have never really had the opportunity to jump in either a Fendt or a Massey Ferguson, and some people maybe have preconceived opinions of what they may or maybe not like, but the opportunity today is jump in and have a drive, talk to a specialist and get a feel for what these tractors are capable of, but also what's the ride quality, the build quality, the efficiency, and get a picture of why people are starting to flock to either of these brands. Well, JGW, we've been in business for 21 years now. We are a family-owned business. So I started this business in 2004 from humble beginnings as a mechanic. So I've come from the ag sector from an apprentice and worked my way into this situation where we are now franchise dealers for Massey Ferguson and Fendt and other brands that support that. Family-owned is something that we're seeing less and less of. We're seeing more corporates coming into the industry that are buying multiple outlets. With some competitors with 20 and upwards branches that take away that fundamental family approach. The ability to ring and talk to somebody that can make a decision seems to fade out as corporatism takes over the agricultural dealer sector. We encourage that. We like the ability to talk to our customers. Good feedback, bad feedback, it's all great conversation that we can build on and we can improve our service. Well, I'm looking forward to catching up with a lot of our customers that are coming today. We've had an enormous response on people that said they'll turn up. Also meeting new customers and sitting beside them in machines to showcase what we can offer.